and she is my friend Bhavana. Today we are going to introduce the smart irrigation. So, previous the farmers need to dig the soil and check the soil is whether the soil is dry or wet and they water the fields. So, taking that into consideration, we have created the smart plant watering system. It works with input and output analog signals. If we insert the sensor into the dry soil, then the water flows. When we insert the sensor into the wet, it turned off. So my friend Bhavana want to explain you briefly.
Have you ever planted a plant and forgot to water it and it was dried and dead? Yes, it happens many times as we are involved in our tight daily routine. But we are highly interested in growing plants. In the other case, if you are a farmer and growing a crop, it is hard to know the status of the soil from home. In this the components required for the system. This is Arduino UNO R3 board where we can supply 5 voltage power. This is relay module, this is soil moisture sensor, this is water pump and this is motor.
The moisture in the soil plays an essential role in irrigation fields as well as in gardens to the plants. As a nutrient, the soil provides the food for their growth and supplying of water is also essential to change the temperature of the plant. The temperature of the plant can be changed by the using of water methods like transpiration, and plant root system is also developed better when rising within moist soil. Extreme soil can be guide the anaerobic situation and can encourage the plant growth and as well as soil pathogens. The moist content in the soil gauged via electrical resistance and to change the water level vary. The resulted electrical conductivity shift enables the soil moisture sensor to detect the sensor. And the data can be transmitted to the agriculture monitoring system and automating irrigation or helping to enhance crop yields.
Working of smart plant watering system. We are connecting Arduino to a soil moisture sensor. Here we are using a capacitive sensor instead of resistance sensor because those sensors have DC current with metallic electrodes printed on the silicon board which cause electrolysis and the metal corroded by the damaging device permanently.
With a capacitive sensor, it outputs the analog signals and metallic parts are not exposed to the water which takes long time run of this device. As per the code, the Arduino fetches the sensor data through the sensor and which placed in the soil. If the soil is wet or dry, the sensor sends the values to the Arduino accordingly. Then our Arduino analyze the values and send the signals to the relay model triggers and water pump. Let's check the working model of this system. We insert the sensor in dry soil, so it is flowing the water. Now keep it in wet soil, the water stops. Thank you for giving this opportunity.